Good morning, everyone. My name is Sutia. Today I'm going to introduce myself. I'm from Siem Province. Currently, I live in Phnom Penh. I graduated high school in 2021. After I graduated, I started studying one of his skill at Salabai Hotel School in Siem Reap. 2 years. There is only 1 year, but during the COVID-19, the school is provide all this program 2 years. I has learned a lot at school, like uh, there's the listen 30% and 70% real participate the customers and participate our plan like check in, check out, handle customer complaint, managing the room reservation, booking transportation, provide all information or to educate play to the customer and give more make the customer will welcome and relate a customer service. After I complete the school at the hospitality school, I finished. I decided to work in Phnom Penh. Apply CV. When I passed the CVs, I passed the interview. I work in person. I have already have experience, so it's easy to me to work. There be like a real psychologist. My home is not far. It's far from the hotel, so I need to ride early at around 30 minutes to the hotel. Therefore, I know the PSE is provide a scholarship for the poor children in Cambodia, so I'm really excited. During efforts, I decided to apply and complete the scholarship for the PSE. When I apply the scholarship, I'm going to study. I decided to resign a job, and currently I'm a student PhD institute. Doing is side marketing. In my free time, I like riding a bike, do exercise, to meditate, listening my favorite song, go in uh, some place that I want to go and know about new thing and learn new thing and spending time reading a book. In my future, I want to be a site marketing manager. And thank you.